In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signal light on your Hyundai Elantra. It's very easy and the only tool you will need is a 10mm wrench. Open the driver's side door, release the trunk. Once the trunk is open, the way to access the bulb is from inside the vehicle, and for that we need to first take off the tail light off the vehicle. Now that's access panel. Open that up. If it's the first time you're doing it, that seam over there, it may not be torn, so you'll have to do it. It's very easy. Just take your time with it. Be gentle. All right. Just tear that seam like that. Okay. Now that that is done, first thing we'll do is we'll take the electrical connector off. So pinch it down over there like that and pull it out. It should come right out. Now let's use the 10mm wrench to take off the 3 nuts which are holding the tail light in its place. Make sure you don't drop the nuts over there. Keep them safe, don't lose them. Now once that's done, we can just pull the tail light off. Just grab it like that and it will come right out. Once that's done, we need to gently pull that rubber seal that's over there. Just gently pull it, don't yank it. You don't want to damage it. Let's place the tail light somewhere where you've laid like a piece of cloth or a napkin so you don't scratch the lens. Okay. The way to access the turn signal bulb is via the bulb holder, the one that's in orange. So grab it, just twist it left, and then pull it out. The bulb holder should just come right out. Now to take the bulb off, press it down, twist it left, and it's out. Get the new bulb, align the pins on the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder, press it down, twist it right, and it's done. Now let's put the bulb holder back in its place. It only goes in one way, so you may have to fiddle with it a little bit to make sure that it sits flush, and it may take a few seconds, and that's fine. Okay, see, now it's staying flush. Now again, just twist the bulb holder right, and it's in its place. Now that hook over there, these 1, 2, 3, and 4 pins. These are the alignment pins that we need to make sure we align properly. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hold, and that white clip over there. Before we do that, let's put this rubber seal back in its place. Make sure you seal it properly. Don't rush it. See, once it's done, then we can install the tail light just like this. Align all those pins. Make sure it sits flush. Push it. See how it's sitting flush now? Good. Now that's done. Let's put those nuts back in its place and tighten them using the 10mm wrench. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. So slide it in and then click it. Now we can close that access panel. Let's try it out. That looks good, right?